Do you do this when saving? Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you try it, it's impossible to find ways to
Welcome
save?
to my channel Motivation and Finance. When it comes to saving money, small changes can add up
Adjusting
quickly.
a few daily habits, cutting monthly bills, and leveraging tools that automate savings can collectively make a big impact. 16 practical ways to save money. Number 1. Save money
By
automatically.
setting up automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month, the money will accumulate over time without any additional work on your part. This technique can be especially useful when your savings accounts are dedicated to specific goals such as establishing an emergency fund, going on a vacations, or building a down payment.
Number 2, cut down on your grocery budget. Little work before you go to the grocery stores can go a long way towards helping you save money on groceries. Check your pantry and make a shopping list to avoid impulse buying something you don't need. Learn how to get coupons and join loyalty programs to maximize your savings in your shop. In exchange for sharing your phone number or email addresses, your local store's loyalty program might offer additional discounts. If you use a cashback credit card, you could earn extra cashback on grocery purchases. Some or cards offers as much as 5% to 6% cashback, but you will want to be sure pay off your bills each month to avoid paying interest. And number 3, canceling automatic subscriptions and memberships. Uncheck the auto renew options on any subscriptions you aren't using regularly, such as subscription boxes. You might even be paying for subscription you no longer use or need. Reviewing your credit card or bank statements carefully can help you flag your recurring expenses you can eliminate, and avoid signing up for free trials that require payment information, or at least make a note or set a calendar reminder to cancel before the period ends.
Number 4, say goodbye to debt.
Monthly debt payments are the biggest money items when it comes to savings. Debt rob you of your income, so it's about time to get rid of that debt. The fastest way to pay off debt is the debt snowball method. This is where you pay off your debts in order from the smallest to largest. Sounds kind of intense, right? Don't worry, it's more about behavior change than numbers. Once your income is freed up, you can finally use it to make progress towards your saving goals. Number 5, restrict online shopping.
You can make it more difficult to shop online in order to stop spending money on things you may not need. Instead of savings your billing informations, opt to input your shipping address and credit card number each time you order. You will probably make fewer impulse purchases because of the extra work
6,
involved.
reduce energy costs. Know that you can save money on your electric bill just by making a few tweaks to your home. Start with some simple things like taking shorter showers, fixing leaking pipes, washing your clothes in cold tap water, and installing dimmer switches and LED light
While
bulbs.
new energy efficient appliances are a great way to save money on your electric bill, they are expensive. But if you work it into your monthly budget, you can save up and pay cash for those improvements over
7,
time.
bundle cable and you could lower your cable bill by as much as $40 per month by changing your cable package, and you could save more than $1,000 over 2 years by bundling your cable and internet service depending on your carrier. Another option to consider is cutting cable, or at least cutting some of your additional stream services or premium
Number
subscriptions.
8, pack lunch and eat at home.
The average household spends about $3,500 on food outside of the home each year. That's almost like $300 per month. Buying lunch a few times a week may seem harmless in the moment, especially when your favorite restaurant is walking distance from your office, but you can save quite a bit of money just by packing a lunch. But a lot of times you can buy a solid week's worth of groceries for the same prices as 2 dinner meal out. Instead, prepare your food at home. Watch your savings pile up month
Number
after
9,
month.
refinances your mortgages.
Refinancing your mortgages can save you several $100s each month if you are able to snag a lower interest rate. Use mortgage refinance calculator to find out how much you could save. While refinancing comes with some initial costs upfront, they can be recouped over time once you start paying less. But 10, skip the coffee
This
shop.
one is painful, I get it. But instead of spending $5 on that daily latte, you can save money by just making your coffee at home. Listen, I'm not saying you should only drink instant coffee unless you are into that sort of things. but even purchasing a bag of local beans from your neighborhood coffee shop and brewing it at home will save you a lot of money in the long run.
Keep saving in high yield savings. To work towards your financial goals, make sure to put your accumulated funds in high yield online savings accounts to maximize your money. Some of the best online accounts pay interest rates that are higher than the ones at large traditional
Number
banks.
12, try
When your
staycation.
goal is to save money now, a vacation is the worst thing you could spend your money on. Instead of whisking your family off to the Greek islands, try being a tourist in your own city. Not only will this save you hundreds or potentially thousands of dollars, but you can also explore your neighborhood with fresh eyes and have some fun while 13. Switch your cell phone plan.
Changing your plan is one way to save money on your cell phone bill, but it's not the only way. Removing insurance from your plan could save you nearly $100 per year per line. Signing up for auto pay and paperless statements can save you an additional $5 to $10 per month per line.
14. Get creative with gifts. You can save money with affordable gifts like herb gardens and books, or go to do-it-yourself routine. Baking cookies, creating art, or preparing someone dinner can demonstrate that you care just as much as making an expensive purchase, and perhaps even more so. You can also shower someone with a gift of your time by offering to take them to the local free museum or one way to avoid overspending is to give yourself a cooling period between the time an item catches your eye and when you actually make the purchase. If you are shopping online, consider putting the item in your shopping cart and then walking away until you had more time to think over it. In some cases, you might even get a coupon code when the retailer notices you abandoned the cart. If 30 days seems like too long to wait, if you can try shorter periods like a 24 or 48 hours delay. 16. Sell everything that doesn't bring you joy.
Declutter the things in your home that you don't need and are willing to go for the sake of your financial future. That vintage chair your uncle gave you, sell it. That crystal case you found at an antique shop, sell it. You would be surprised at how much clutter you have in your home and you don't even use or think about. And the cash you can make on those things can be a difference between the living paychecks to paychecks.
Or watching my channel, please support by subscribing. Okay.